Okay, so let's decorate this cake that we iced yesterday. So I'm just using a number 5 tip to outline this. I think you could use a 3 or a 4. After I did this, I realized I maybe wished the lines were a little bit thinner, but either way, it turned out fine. And then as you can see, I like to use my Viva paper towels for everything. So I noticed that when I piped the black, that one line, that one side was a little too far in on the cake, like it wasn't quite on the edge. So I went back before my black icing had a time to really attach or stick to the cake and moved it with that Viva paper towel. I know it sounds crazy, but it has saved me so many times over the years, and it is such a great little hack for crusting buttercream. So now I'm going back and I'm outlining the bottom section of the heart cake as well. And then of course I will go back and add more detail to those drip melted sections on the cake board. I'm going to go back and outline those in black just the same. All right, now we've got it all outlined, and we're going to go back with white, and I'm just going to use a number 4 tip on this, slightly smaller than the black, and just add a few lines. It's kind of like highlighting marks, just to add a little few bright spots to some of the edges and to draw attention to those areas on the cake. So I'm just doing some here and there on the drip, and then also on the outline of the cake. Okay, so now we're going to write on the cake, and the customer just wanted a very simple lowercase font in that same black buttercream. And if you are looking to learn the basics of cake decorating, to figure out how to make icing and bake some really great cakes, figure out how to get the icing on the cake and writing and flowers, please reach out to me. I teach people daily on how to do this and how to get started, whether you're trying to start a side hustle or just want to make cute, adorable cakes for your family and friends. I'm here to help you. So once I got the writing on this cake, I did go back and put a little black heart there. I thought it would be really cute, and that's it. Super simple.